All right, I'm not gonna get a chance to do this later, so I want to show you this thing running. Okay, that's all for now. Catch you guys in a minute. Show has grown so much. This is actually a national BCOA meet this year, and let's see if I can do this in about 40 minutes and go around and show you everything. We'll just do a pass in every car. Look at that nice choco brown interior. Yum. This has got an automatic badge, so I think this is Kendall's car. Yep. Kendall kept the little Prindle on the center console there, but you know, everything works in his car, but he does have a manual gearbox. This one's Ryan's.
I'm still trying to find out what's going on.
Shaggy.
Because I have this side.
There's Angela and
Gear.
Rita. Hey, did you see there's a margarita street out here in SLO?
Yeah, and I'm drinking a Rita.
Strawberry Rita. I won't tell nobody.
Yeah.
Small, nice alternator.
Thank you. We've come a long way. No problems on the way over.
All right, now you're just bragging.
I felt so great.
I'm happy for you, though.
I was worried until the last 30
All right, so I'm recording a little bit, but how you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Yeah.
How about you?
I'm doing well. You guys are so busy out there.
Yeah.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Simon.
Simon. I'm David.
Following the channel for a long time.
Oh, thanks for watching,
You're
man.
kind of a legend.
Well, I appreciate that. There's going to be so many videos on this coming up soon, but right now I am going to just make a pass around and show everybody what SLO Rolling's like this year.
Sweet.
And this is the guy who I bought all my parts from. This is Bruce.
Absolutely.
See how much longer I can keep the hazards going to attract customers. The shinier Amazon badge is on the other side if you need it.
Yeah.
All right. Very cool. EP Auto Parts. Good guys. Good guys. All right. Cool wheels. Yeah. It's fun to see all these different Amazons. Wow. Ain't you plush? Oh, look at those handles. Oh, look at that early cluster. It's the complexion.
Are you from the Bay Area? So you know John? Which John?
This handle, is it a Survivor or a Rechrome?
That's a Survivor.
That's beautiful.
You can lift up the trunk if you want.
Oh, I'd love to.
Yeah, we bought the car in Los Altos. Hard. We hard.
Not as hard as mine in person.
The original owner.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Those door handles, they are matching the panels. Did you have them wrapped, or that's how they were when you bought it, or?
The upholstery guy. Yes.
That's really a good touch.
Yeah.
I like that.
And the dash was warped, and he did the best he could. You know.
Just rewrapped it? Yeah.
And
Really nice.
that dash cover.
This is a beautiful color, and it feels so good to have a smooth handle.
So
Is that all right?
Is yours?
Yeah, that's fine.
Bright Boy, B-R-I-T-E, B-O-Y, metal polish. And it looks like it's an appliance thing, but it should work on everything. Oh yeah, chrome is chrome.
Yeah.
Very good, thank you. If you ever come across a set of window seals for the back, I'd like to go back to the swinging style, because I had to
Oh, well,
transfer
mine's an aftermarket thing. Do you see what I have?
The seal itself?
Yeah. You can buy it. There's a place in La Mirada.
Clever. What's it? Is it just you buy it in a length and you...
Yeah. You form it yourself. Oh. It's really amazing. What's the name of it?
What is...
Oh my God, I'd have to
Oh.
stuff myself when I formed it, but
Oh, there's the pull handles that we were talking about. Nice. Well, this is cool. 63, 64?
63.
63. Yeah, it's beautiful. Thank you for showing me. Yeah. Oh, and look at that. The tag's down here. Cool. So cool to see all this. Skinny blue Volvo filters. Good old interstate battery. We got matching batteries. I like that. Costco's got a great warranty.
Yeah, it does.
They're good to us. All right, this one looks way lowered. Good patina. Oh, I love a good slideshow. But the car's in front of us. Why do we need to see it again? Oh, it shows you all the places we've been. Looks real plush. I remember seeing this last year. Was it 2 years ago? All right, now we're into 140 territory. Sorry for glazing over, but one day I'll own a 140. Side draft Webers. What a gorgeous color. Okay, he's got that cold air pipe going in. Washer bottle, brake reservoir. It really fills up the space under the hood. A Volvo sticker on the AC Delco battery. I'm okay with that. Bert's 1970, the last year of the 120. Okay, so that's gonna mean, if it's 1970, where are your side markers? Those reflectors, or maybe they had a bulb in them, I'm not sure, but you know, they had those extra ones in the front and rear. Okay, he's got the lower dash pad, and he's got the later style steering wheel. The ignition's in the right place. All the switches are there. Everything else looks 1970, but the knobs are different here. Okay, he's got a few trophies here. All the way from BC. Nice. Oh, that's so cool to see. I wonder if those extra side signals were not for, well, this is interesting. Maybe they were only for the wagons. Sorry for the wind noise. Maybe I'll have to dub all of this, but looking good. This is the Mathis family. Got a downdraft Weber on there. Big headers. About ready to swap out my headers for an OE manifold setup, but take a look at this. It's got the steering wheel wrapped. Good old seats. Door panels. Interesting cranks. The visors were upholstered to match the headliner material. That's kind of cool. There's the handle in the back. And it's got air conditioning, as I remember. Aluminum radiator. P1800 shifter is the first thing I noticed, but look at all those gauges. Wow. This is a 68. What year was it? 7. It's a fiberglass lip. I hope that gives you a good look at it. Instead of a battery tray, there's the MSD. Smoothed out firewall, no heater box. I guess that means this acts as an air escape. Huh. We've been there, friend. I've been there. So, and Mr. Sam right here. He's got a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. Sam, good car. Congrats.
Thank you. Did you see the air?
The what?
The air conditioning?
No. Let's see this.
Check it out.
Yeah. Show me how you set this up.
Hi, baby.
Custom bracket holding the compressor.
You got a bracket that holds the compressor, and you got a bracket for the pulley.
Okay, I've got a pulley bracket. I didn't like that they use the head bolts, but I guess that's
You have to. There's
gotta.
another guy that used to make them to use these bolts,
Uh-huh.
but the problem is these bolts are not big.
Gotcha. Yeah, they're not so deep that they're gonna
These are
come.
strong. So when you
Real
get
strong.
new head, you got to get new head bolts.
Of course.
Because they're about a little longer.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
So, and when you order from the guy who who makes these, he'll send you the head bolts,
Okay. So it's essentially.
and he'll send you these bolts too.
Oh, good.
These are a little bit longer. And
Is this a very modern car compressor? Or it looks like a 240 almost.
it actually came out of it.
Yeah. Cool.
Because I know what they want for those stupid ass compressors. So I found one that was in really good condition, almost brand new.
And then just send the hoses and get them crimped and
You put
have
new
the
hoses
fittings.
on.
Very cool.
But it
Now let's see what you've got going on under the dash here.
that's the what they call the slim line.
Slim line.
You got a vent.
And the name of the company?
Yeah, that's the name of the slim line
Okay.
or vintage air.
Vintage Air.
Yeah,
Yep.
they make. But this
Yeah.
is the closest one.
Can I go around the other side and look under the dash?
Yeah.
I want to see how much space we're going to lose if we do this. I see.
I don't think you lose that much. I haven't sat on that side, but
No, legroom should be fine.
yeah, legroom.
You get rid of the glove box, but nobody uses that.
Yeah,
Is it even called a glove box?
I guess.
Yeah. It fits in place.
It fits good.
And here's the knobs and everything. I've
Yeah.
been wanting to see this for a long time. I'm really glad you did it.
It's I had the other one that was just this big.
Yeah. Is that the
And-
Frigiking?
Yeah, and it had the just two vents in it.
Yeah.
And this one actually cools really good.
No, you're not using the factory blower anymore because you've got this
Well, I have
for
the
the-
fact I still have the factory blower, and that's for
heater.
the heater.
Yeah.
And the defroster.
And what about engine temperature, especially in the LA traffic, or what part of town are you?
Okay, LA traffic.
Are you in stop and go traffic often?
If it's stop and go, it'll run close to the red, but it doesn't get into the red.
Okay.
So, and then once you take off, it drops. This runs about.
That's good. That's good that you can keep it at temp with the 4-blade fan. Oh, you got 2 fans up front.
That's right.
Oh, good.
Gotta have those.
There it is.
That's for two reasons. Number one, it blows more air
Yeah.
through the
You gotta cool your AC system, and you gotta add the extra cooling for your radiator.
Exactly.
Cool. Very good. Thank you so much. All right, I'm gonna run around and see all the other cars. I'm guessing overdrive relay.
Yes.
Nice.
Dog, and that's
Gotta have that.
So that's the best one to put.
Telling you.
Yep.
It lets you drive 90 miles an hour on the freeway.
There it is. Thanks, Sam.